Okay, I'm just going to show you how to set the sat nav. I'm having to do it all again because I forgot and I left the TV on and it was on the dual screen, so no doubt from here you would be able to see the TV and wouldn't know what I was talking about. So here we go again. So from any screen, say for instance, well, from the home menu, you can do a couple of things. First of all, I'm going to cancel the guidance because I just set it up. So that's guidance cancelled. But when it goes back, you can see there, it's a quick way, destination entry, or you can go into nav like so, and then click destination entry there. But that's from the menu, it's a quick setup. We want postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltneydale, Preston, PR5 4JS, and then click OK, click go.
Guidance will start when you join the highlighted route.
Now if for any reason you don't hear the audio instructions, if you go to nav menu, you'll see there route voice guidance, and that sometimes can be knocked off, or if you're getting near home, you can cancel route voice guidance or cancel guidance completely. So we'll cancel guidance. That's how you do the sat nav.